I came all the way from Cagayan de Oro to Manila just to taste this Diwata Paris Overload. Thank you. Oh, wala na nga. And then, garlic. In fairness, ang rami ng garlic na dito
Ay, sakala niyo uuwi na tayo, di tayo uuwi. Actually, nahanap ko na si Diwata.
6/10.
Let's go.
From CDO to Manila just to be here. And then I'm actually quite disappointed. I thought parang PBB daw yung linyahan dito eh.
All guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat.
So I arrived in Manila for about 5 minutes ago. Only thing for sure is I haven't eaten anything yet for the last 6 hours. So paparating na po yung sundo ko. Sila pa magdadala sa akin sa Pasay City. Wala pa po akong dinner. So I came all the way from Cagayan de Oro to Manila just to taste this Diwata Paris Overload. Let's see if this is all worth it. I haven't eaten anything for the last 6 hours. And I'm quite excited. Let's go ahead and see if this is absolutely worth it.
So ayun guys, may pipick up kaming friend ko. Galing pa siyang CDO. Alam niyo ba kung bakit siya pumunta ditong Manila? Pupunta siya dito para lang matikman yung Diwata Pares. Sobrang excited niyang matry yun kasi wala yun sa Mindanao. Kaya ayun, ipipick up namin siya. So nandito na kami sa Bay 1. Ayan, so nasa Bay 4 daw siya. Sobrang social nun guys. Pumunta lang siya dito Manila para matikman ang Diwata Pares. Ganon, ang dami niyang time. So ayun guys, wait lang natin siya. Tutok mo dun sa Bay 4. Nandun daw siya naghihintay. Sana may makuha tayong parking Ayan. Ano bang kulay ng damit nun? Hindi siya nagsabi no.
Dito ko na.
Asan?
Andun sa 5.
5? Ayun. Pwede tayo dun. Tara, ayan. Asan siya? Asan? Ayun! Ayan, Tara! Dito.
Bukang.
Taray! Palit! Sabi ko nga kanina, pumunta ka lang dito sa Manila para matikman yung Diwata Pares. Sabi ko, ganun kakadaming time para lang pumunta dito para matikman yung Diwata Pares. So, anong nilook forward mo pagdating natin doon?
Si Diwata.
Pero feel mo ba na doon si Diwata ngayon?
Feel ko parang wala siya. Kasi sabi mo morning lang, diba?
Pero minsan, andyan siya pag umaga.
Sige, go. Hindi talaga ako kumain dahil dito.
True ako din.
6 hours na, di ako kumakain. Biscuit or kahit ano.
Kung tingin ka sa kabila kung may makuha ba tayong
So anong name nung katabi? Encanto Diwata Paris Overload. What's up everybody? We're here in Pasay City. I actually just arrived like around 1 hour ago, straight ahead from Cagayan de Oro here in Manila, just to actually eat the Paris one. On the left corner, we have Encanto. They actually say na kompetensya daw yan ng Diwata Pares. This is Diwata Pares and a lot of people are lining up. This has been going viral on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook. Mapalive man yan, I've heard about it. But there's actually another word that I heard, which is di na daw masyadong maraming pumupunta kay Diwata dahil daw di na daw sikat, di masarap. May iba nga may sabi marami daw langaw. So I'm here to find out. Seryoso, nakita ko yun one time sa TikTok video. So I'm here to find out if yung ginastos ko with the whole flight, I booked my flight last week and then I paid around 7,000 pesos. Let's see if worth it ba, Diwata. Let's go. parang to yung chismis. There's not much, a lot of people who's lining up. And I'm actually quite disappointed. I thought parang PBB daw yung linyahan dito eh. I came from CDO to Manila just to be here. Still gonna try the Paris Overload of Diwata.
Tukto kasi Diwata dito.
Yung bahay niya? What the freak? Yung title, tinuktok ko si Diwata.
Sige na, try lang.
Uy, ano ba? Tinuktok ko si Diwata. Uy, ang bastos ko. Ito yung pila. Oo, di ba? So, totoo pala yung chismis, guys. 100 pesos. 100 pesos for Paris Overload. Let's go. So, so my plane ticket was 7,000 and then my meal is just 100 pesos. Di ba? Tipid tayo sa meal.
At saka may ano.
So, Paris Overload.
Gusto mo i-try chicken for 120 pesos.
And then Paris Overload. Yun na lang
100.
dalawa.
Oh, try mo. Kasi mag-food review ka, no?
Oo, sige, go.
Ito mansag ka.
Gutom talaga ako. So, 100 and 120?
Available chicken? Wala pa daw.
So, overload lang.
Overload.
Okay, overload. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Paris. Ito. Thank you.
Yung kasama ko.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken Joy. Hello. Chicken inasal. So, ano kulang dito?
Sabaw. Maybe
Sabaw.
number sabaw.
Okay. Small. Konti lang kuya. Thank you po. Yan, let's go. Where are we gonna be sitting? Down? Saan tayo po? Parang maghahanap ako. So we have our pares over here. We have our rice and then also our soft drinks. We are gonna be looking for a table. Hopefully may makita tayo. Wala nang wala na siyang yung spicy. To put our spicy thing over here. That. For me, I like spicy stuff though. I'm gonna put a lot of things. And then also, this green onion. And then, garlic. In fairness, ang dami ng garlic na dito No. Excuse me. Thank you. This is what we get for 100 pesos. We have the rice here, our pares overload, but this is not actually overload kasi sabi ko small lang yung sabaw. And then we have a soft drinks. Siyempre kakagaling lang natin sa flight. So, soft drinks agad. Wala na tayong kakainin na. Okay, right. The moment of truth. The moment of truth, guys.
Lagyan mo ng kalamansi.
Lagyan ko doon ng kalamansi. Okay, let's go.
Sa'yo ba yan?
Ay, di naman siya naka-open. Ay, naka-open. Yeah, it's open. But dito sa akin, baka kadiri ko to. Oh, yan yung overload. Nana. Okay, lagay ko na. Okay. Lemon. So, guys, remember, we traveled. We paid 7,000 for a plane ticket because of this one. And the moment of truth, if totoo ba yung mga sinasabi nila na masarap daw yung pares overload ni Diwata. Well, I'm not actually judging or anything, but I'm a huge fan of food. And I've seen a lot of vloggers do this one already. So this one is for all the foreigners who are watching me and trying to see how the viral Paris thing is working or not. Let's go. In fairness, I'm not lying. It's good. I'm not lying. Or baka gutom lang talaga ako. Baka I'm really hungry. It's good though. It's good. Actually, if you're an Asian, rice is like part of the meal every single day. And believe me or not, but this isn't really good in yung rice. Parang too much water. I don't know, but this one is really good. I've actually seen one video about this one, and then the guy actually said na the sabaw is not really concentrated. When me and Steven talked about this one last week, we actually agreed on just coming in here in Manila and for me to get some stuff from him. But then we decided to actually book a flight and come to Manila and eat dinner here. So no dinner for like 6 hours. This is what I have for dinner right now. And then this is actually like 200 pesos alone. If you're gonna ask me if this is sulit, it actually is. This is only rice, no? Only rice? Only sabaw din. So if you're a rice person and sabaw person, then this is your go-to. Sabi nila. Steph. Akin ba to? Okay.
May nakita ko dito sa gilid. Di ko to kakilala. How was Overload Paris for you?
Masarap siya. Pero pang 6 na no? Or 5th time na nagkaon milan eh.
Do you feel like, is it like worth it for 100 pesos?
Yes, worth it siya, syempre. 100 pesos to, tas unlimited lahat. Pero syempre, kanya-kanya tayong taste, di ba?
Do you think fresh yung mga ginagamit nila dito? Or like, kasi 24 hours to, so baka may mga ibang natira na ginagamit o niluluto nila pag kinabukasan? Or...
Feel ko fresh. Bakit? Kasi di ba sa sobrang dami ng tao, kailangan nila magluto lagi.
Sure ka?
Yun lang, dito.
Pero so far naman, nagustuhan ko yung meat, nagustuhan ko yung soup. It's actually very savory. And yung comment ko lang sa rice is di siya masyadong maayos pagkaluto. Kasi as Asians, we're very, sa rice ricers. Dahil naman di ako makita nung nagluto ng rice kasi baka anuhin ako.
Siyempre, honest review lang.
Pero this is like, in all honesty, in all form. Kasi I haven't eaten anything, so feel ko this is really my honest opinion. And then also, I mentioned earlier na wala na medyo tao dito. Actually, dito yung in-expect ko kasi I saw sa TikTok and then sa YouTube channels yung linyahan is halos punta doon sa kabilang daan. So, this isn't actually what I'm expecting. But the taste is actually beyond my expectation because 100 pesos and then they say hindi masyadong masarap, hindi masyadong malapot yung soup and all that. But it's actually really good. Yeah. Anong comment mo? For everyone's information, siya po yung So, it's his idea na mag-book ako ng flight. So, dapat yung pang-book ko is savings ko na yon. Kasi for everyone who's following who has subscribed to my channel, I should be in Siargao by next week. And then I should be saving money, di ba? Pero di. Feeling ko kasi anak ako ni Henry C. So, gagala ako. So, siya po yung may kasalanan talaga. Ano yung comment mo dito?
Nag-uusap lang kami noon sa video call. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, punta siya dito ng Manila. After noon, nag-book siya agad ng ticket. Tapos sabi ko sa inyo, para worth it naman yung punta mo dito. Pumunta ka sa Diwata Palace Overload. Kaya ayun, nandito siya ngayon. At tinatry niya yung pang 50 na namin to. Promise, sobrang haba ng pila nung last time. As in, sobrang haba. Kaya itong gutom mo na lang ka. Pero karon kay kung gutom ka, makakaon ka diretso kay super na kayo ang pila.
Pero alam mo sino talaga yung goal ko dito? Makausap si Diwata. So, I heard, natutulog na daw siya. So, pagkatapos nito, puntahan natin siya. Tignan natin, di ba tayo sumbong sa barangay? But to everyone who is not actually from the Philippines, this is in Pasay City. Very close sa airport. So, after nyo...
Jokno Boulevard Street.
Ano?
Jokno Boulevard Street.
Wrong. So, to every foreigners who are actually watching this video, once you land in Naiya, go straight to Diwata. Because it's actually close in... Yeah, you just have to search on the internet or maybe sa maps. Makikita nyo naman siya. So, after... I arrived like an hour ago and then I went in here, wala akong dinner and everything. But that's what we talk about actually, na walang dinner. So in general, how will you rate the Diwata Palace Overload?
Oh my God, ako pag itbabash ko rin. Siguro i-rate ko siya na 6/10. 6/10. At saka yung service okay naman.
Actually, considering yung service, pagdating pa lang namin doon, may welcome na sila. I like the way na yung may process sila. So, pagdating mo doon sa front, may mag-receive agad ng payment. And then, you go ahead and get your bowl. And then, you get your soft drinks. And then, yung rice, saka yung soup. So, may process yung may relay ng labor yung ginagawa nila. Hindi siya magulo. So,
Tapos, ang maganda dito, last time kasi dun kami sa dulo, pero ngayon, kita nyo naman ginagawa na, nilalagyan na siya ng ng bubong. Kasi nagpe-prepare sila for rainy season. Kasi usually, lagi na naulan dito, kaya sa mga hindi nakakaalam, makakain pa din kayo kasi nilagyan nila ng bubong. So, yun lang naman yung concern namin. Last time nung pumunta kami, walang amoy, pero hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng amoy ito. Maybe, I don't know, pero basta, yun lang naman. At bago ako kasi hindi na masyadong crispy yung nila, pork nila.
Yeah, so overall, I think 6/10 yung sayo, no? Siguro, na-impress naman ako kasi masarap naman yung soup. Pero parang di siya naging consistent because di naman siya crispy lahat. So parang 6/10 na lang din. Okay na yun, 6/10. And then, goodness is, may mga renovations silang nalalaman and then may process. Meaning to say, may CCTV din sila. Ay, may CCTV. Bongga. Dati daw wala pang CCTV. Hindi ka na walang mangungupit and everything.
And then sabihin mo din na kulang-kulang yung mga spices at saka
And then yung yung spices nila, kung nakita nyo kanina, hindi na masyadong marami. So feel ko, pag ganitong klaseng business, siguro need mo i-maintain yung amount ng may magre-refill ng mga spices kasi yun yung mga one way para maging masarap din yung soup nila eh. Parang pero ang abundant ng kanilang garlic in fairness. So yun ang nagustuhan ko dito. So the moment of truth, if worth it ba?
worth it naman. No, kasi 100 pesos lang yun at limited lahat.
Oh, let's say 7,300 yung flight ko. So, plus 100. So, 7,400 pesos. Worth it ba? Sa tingin nyo, worth it ba?
Kung taga dito ka, malapit ka.
Siguro, kung taga dito ka, yes. Ito talaga yung pinunta ko dito, sa Diwata. So, after nito guys, uuwi na po ako. Uuwi na po ako. Ito lang po talaga yung pinunta ko dito. So, it's actually 1 in the morning. And I do have work tomorrow at around 6 in the morning. So, yung dinner natin is 1 a.m. na. Napaka the best. Tapos, early breakfast na po to. Alright, tapos na po tayong kumain. Uuwi na po tayo sa ating pinanggalingan. So, this vlog is actually all for, it's supposed to be an English vlog, but it became a Tagalog one because it's hard to say a comment in English kasi I want this vlog to be so real and super authentic for you guys to know what's really going on here. And I did try my best, and then also I'm not actually disappointed. It's actually really good. Feel ko need natin ng ice cream. Magkano? Yung ano lang, cone. 40?
Avocado mangga kayo.
Avocado.
Try mo mangga, masarap.
Avocado yung bet ko.
Avocado lang.
Avocado. Sige, i-mix mo na lang, kuya. 40, no? 40, 35. Panghimagas. Panghimagas po natin yung ice cream.
Pinoy ka gidi ay.
Pinoy kasi po ako. Thank you. Ha? Ay, okay. Favorite ko kasi yung avocado, kuya. Thank you. So, to end the night, we are gonna be eating some ice cream. Because we are Filipinos, we love ice cream. Pinakadabas yung ice cream na part. Feel ko.
Di ba dapat avocado?
Avocado yung top and then mango. So guys, if you want to try the Paris, just look for the ice cream. And then go inside. Yan na yun. I won't be taking much of your time. Thank you all so much for watching. I should be in Siargao by now, but I am in Manila. And I will be staying here for like a week and so. But I'm very excited to actually spend some time here in Manila. But I'll see you guys in Siargao soon. Paalam! Guys, akala niyo uuwi na tayo. Di tayo uuwi. Actually, nahanap ko na si Diwata. Diwata! Kapag nasa si Diwata sa sa kiliran ko, feeling ko parang wala na akong ibang dream. Ito talaga yung goal ko sa life, yung magitnaan ni Diwata. So, thank you so much for watching, Diwata. Thank you for your pares. It's so delicious. Ayaw niya magsalita. Natampo siya kasi kumatok ako kanina. Pero anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Alam.